On the windswept Texas coast, a gleaming tower of stainless steel stands ready, Starship, poised to launch a new era in human history. The first rays of sunlight glint off its polished surface, hinting at the promise of a future that once existed only in dreams. This isn't just another rocket, it's a turning point for human exploration, a symbol of our relentless curiosity and drive to reach beyond the familiar. Around the world, people watch, breath held as the countdown ticks away. In living rooms, classrooms, and crowded parks, eyes are glued to screens, united by anticipation and hope. 33 Raptor engines ignite in a thunderous roar, shaking the ground and lifting Starship skyward in a blaze of power. The Earth trembles as the rocket breaks free, defying gravity and expectation. This launch is more than spectacle, it's the culmination of years of relentless work, innovation, and belief in a multiplanetary future. Every bolt, every weld, every sleepless night has led to this moment. Starship's ascent marks the moment science fiction edges closer to science fact. What was once imagined in books and films is now unfolding before our eyes, powered by human ingenuity. For decades, space was the domain of governments and a select few. Starship aims to make it accessible and routine, opening the cosmos to dreamers, explorers, and innovators everywhere. The goal, a fully reusable system making space travel as common as flying. Each successful landing brings us closer to a future where journeys to orbit and beyond are part of everyday life. As the rocket climbs, it carries not just payloads but the dreams and ambitions of millions. Children gaze upward, inspired to imagine their own place among the stars. We're not just witnessing a launch, we're witnessing the birth of a bold new vision, a collective leap toward a future where humanity's reach knows no bounds. The future of space is being written right now, with every second of this historic flight. The countdown is over, the new era has begun. Flight 10 isn't just another test, it's a milestone for Starship, and for the future of space exploration. This launch represents years of relentless innovation, countless hours of engineering, and the dreams of thousands who believe in a multiplanetary future. Early flights were about survival and learning from failure. Each explosion and setback taught engineers invaluable lessons, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and fueling the drive to improve. Now, Flight 10 is about proving reliability, demonstrating that Starship can consistently perform and deliver on its promise. This mission aims to show Starship can reach orbit and perform with precision, executing complex maneuvers that are essential for future deep space missions. After launch and booster separation, Starship will test its payload bay doors, simulating the deployment of cargo or satellites, and prepare for the ultimate challenge, re-entry through Earth's atmosphere. The heat shield must survive temperatures hotter than molten lava, protecting the ship as it plunges back to Earth, followed by the dramatic belly flop maneuver and a controlled landing, an engineering ballet that must be executed flawlessly. Success here unlocks the next phase, in-orbit refueling, a revolutionary capability that is the key to reaching the Moon, Mars, and beyond, enabling missions that were once only science fiction. Flight 10 is the proof point. The system works, and the path to a spacefaring civilization is open wider than ever before. For decades, rockets were single-use and costly. Starship's reusability changes everything, making space more accessible and sustainable for generations to come. A successful Flight 10 means the age of rapid, affordable spaceflight is here, with the potential for frequent missions and a future where space travel is routine. It's a leap from exploration to settlement, from brief visits to the stars, to building new homes on distant worlds. We're not just visiting space anymore, we're preparing to live and work there, turning science fiction into reality, and laying the foundation for humanity's next great adventure. The world is watching, united in anticipation, as the future is closer than ever, and the possibilities are limitless. Starship's success is a message, the next era has begun, and humanity is ready to take its place among the stars. Starship is a two-stage, fully reusable Super Heavy lift rocket, unlike anything before it. The Super Heavy booster, powered by 33 Raptor engines, launches Starship out of Earth's grip, then returns for a quick turnaround. The upper stage, also called Starship, carries people and cargo, protected by a heat shield of thousands of ceramic tiles. Its versatility is unmatched: satellite deployment, lunar landings, Mars transport. Raptor engines use methane and oxygen, fuels that could be made on Mars, enabling round trips. Stainless steel construction makes Starship tough, affordable, and heat-resistant. The goal: launch over 100 tons to orbit, slashing costs and opening space to industry, science, and settlement. Starship isn't just a rocket, it's a revolution in how humanity reaches for the stars. Starship isn't just faster, it's a paradigm shift. It represents a fundamental rethinking of how we access and utilize space, not just an incremental improvement over what came before. Imagine New York to Shanghai in under 40 minutes, flying a suborbital arc through space. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's a glimpse of what's possible with Starship's revolutionary design, shrinking our planet and connecting cities like never before. Unlike the Space Shuttle or Soyuz, which were expendable or only partially reusable, Starship is designed for rapid, full reusability. This means it can launch, land, and launch again with minimal turnaround, much like an airplane. Traditional rockets are thrown away after each flight, keeping costs high and access limited. Every mission means building a new rocket, a process that's both expensive and wasteful. Starship's economics flip the script. The main cost is fuel, not hardware. By reusing the same vehicle over and over, the price per launch drops dramatically, making space more affordable for everyone. Its payload capacity, over 100 tons to orbit, dwarfs anything before it. Starship can carry more cargo in a single launch than any rocket in history, opening up new possibilities for science, industry, and exploration. This means bigger satellites, entire space station modules, or the cargo for a Martian city can launch in one go. Missions that once took multiple launches and years of planning can now be accomplished in a fraction of the time. Starship is more than a better rocket. It's a new logistics system for space. It's designed to move people and cargo quickly, reliably, and at a scale never seen before, transforming how we think about off-world supply chains. Like turning cargo vans into ocean freighters, it opens the door to mass movement and industry beyond Earth. The scale of what's possible grows exponentially, enabling new economies and opportunities in space. The old guard made space rare and expensive. Starship aims to make it routine and accessible. What was once reserved for governments and billionaires could soon be within reach for scientists, entrepreneurs, and even ordinary people. The future of space travel is about scale, and Starship is built for it. With fleets of starships ready to launch, the dream of a truly spacefaring civilization is closer than ever before. Starship's promise is huge, but so are its challenges. Perfecting the re-entry and landing, especially the belly flop maneuver, demands near-flawless engineering. Every heat shield tile and Raptor engine must work perfectly, every time. Regulatory hurdles loom large. Certifying Starship for human flight will require thousands of safe, routine launches. Building global spaceports for point-to-point travel means tackling noise, safety, and public acceptance. Launching near cities is a political and social challenge as much as a technical one. The economics are daunting. Billions invested, and the market for frequent heavy-lift flights must grow. Starlink and NASA missions are a start, but true sustainability needs a much bigger market. Starship's future depends on both technological triumph and creating a thriving space economy. The road ahead is tough, but the rewards could reshape our world. If Starship succeeds, the world will change in ways we can barely imagine. Space could become a bustling frontier with large stations, research labs, and even hotels in orbit. The view of Earth from space could be accessible to many, not just a privileged few. Science would leap forward, giant telescopes, frequent missions to the outer solar system, and new discoveries. The ultimate vision: building the first city on Mars, supplied by fleets of starships. Suborbital travel could shrink the globe, connecting continents in minutes. Technologies developed for Starship could drive innovation on Earth, from energy to recycling. Space would become a tool for building a better, more resilient future for all. The dream is not just to go to space, but to use it to improve life everywhere. Starship could make humanity truly multiplanetary. We stand at the threshold of a new era, watching Starship blaze a trail to the stars. Its journey is one of relentless ambition, turning "what if" into reality. The question is no longer if Starship will change the world, but how soon. Its mission to open the solar system, making humanity a multiplanetary species. The challenges, technical, regulatory, economic, are immense, but so is our drive to explore. Starship is more than a rocket, it's a bridge to new worlds and new possibilities. As Flight 10 arcs across the sky, we see the future taking shape. The sky is no longer a limit but a gateway. The roar of Starship's engines is the sound of a new chapter for humankind. The adventure is just beginning. The skies are waiting.